With surging COVID cases in many parts of India and cases rising in the northeastern states as well, Nagaland government held a cabinet meeting today and issued new consolidated guidelines enforcing stricter rules from April 30th till May 14th. Details of the new guidelines will be made available to our viewers soon. Meanwhile, Nagaland's COVID update is as follows. 207 COVID positive cases have been reported today. Dimapur accounts for 177, Kohima 13 cases, Tuensang 9, Longlang and Mogokchung 3 each. Mon and Peran recorded 1 positive case each. 16 people have also recovered from the virus. 8 from Kohima, 7 from Dimapur and 1 from Wokha. The total number of COVID positive cases in the state stands at 13,445. The number of recovered in the state is 12,151 and the number of active cases in Nagaland stands at 874 cases. The Delhi High Court today said it had never asked for COVID facilities at a 5-star hotel and ordered the city government to immediately withdraw its decision to assign 100 rooms at the Ashoka Hotel exclusively for judges and their families. When did we ask for a 100-bed facility at a 5-star hotel? We had only said if a judicial officer or a judge or their family is infected, they should get hospital admission. Our concern is with respect to judicial officers in lower judiciary who have to hold court. The High Court, furious, told the Delhi government. Why did you cause this sort of a controversy? The perception is that we asked Delhi government for a special facility, said the judges, apparently upset at questions raised over luxury COVID facilities set aside for them at a time when people are struggling for hospital beds. Meanwhile, the Delhi government said there was no malice behind the move. It was the media that had created the perception, it said, explaining that many hotels in the city had been turned into COVID facilities attached to hospitals. The Manipur government has announced summer vacation in all government private schools in the states from May 1st. As per the direction, the schools will be closed from May 1 to 31 due to summer vacation. Manipur School Education Commissioner T. Ranjit Singh, in an official notification, said the decision for early summer vacation was taken due to an unprecedented surge in COVID-19 cases, an official said. The Education Department also instructed authorities to make necessary arrangements for the conduct of online classes after the summer vacation. Teachers, government officials have been asked to perform their official duties even in the time of summer vacation. On Monday, 5 more COVID-19 patients succumbed to the virus in Manipur, the highest number of deaths reported in a day since the outbreak of the second wave of the COVID pandemic. Bhutan will export 40 metric tons of liquid oxygen daily to Assam from the Motanga Industrial Estate Oxygen Plant in Bhutan's Samdrup Jonghar district. This information was confirmed by the Embassy of India at Thimphu. In view of the present COVID situation, Bhutan will supply liquid oxygen to India from a new plant being set up at the Motanga Industrial Estate, Samdrup Jonghar district, the Embassy of India in Thimphu said in a statement. Every day, 40 metric tons of liquid oxygen produced by the oxygen plant will be exported to Assam using cryogenic tankers, the official statement said.